He's gastric and so am I. And I will never ever forgive him, his genes for that.
I know he will watch this video and he'll be like, what the hell did you just say? But that is true. So he's very emotional.
Most amazing person.
Self-made, funny,
He is very sensitive.
loving and emotional,
Handsome and extremely smart.
and very, very, very funny.
My dad had asked me a photo for my PAN card, so he needed a passport size photo or a picture, a digital picture to make my PAN card, and I sent him a picture of me. And his reply was, I don't need a picture for modeling, Sheena. I need a picture for PAN. And that was so funny. Like, I cracked up.
When I was getting married, my in-laws came to my place and ऐसे ही सब पूछते हैं, so पापनी क्या बना लेती है? My father just said, बेवकूफ बहुत अच्छा बनाती है. And everybody busted into laughter. He said this. He just literally said this in front of everyone, and I was like, यार यहाँ तो छोड़ दो मतलब.
So this one time I remember somebody from Airtel called and she says कि hello sir, मैं Airtel से बात कर रही हूँ. तो my father goes, हाँ तो आप कर लीजिए, जब हो जाएगी तो आप मुझे कॉल कर लेना.
He's gastric and so am I. And I will never ever forgive him, his genes for that. यार गैस ही pass on करनी थी. I mean,
सबसे annoying habit.
Over exaggerating. I know he will watch this video and he'll be like, what the hell did you just say? But that is true.
Impulsive हो सकती हूँ मैं कभी कभी.
We were both equally lazy. I mean, हमें अगर कोई चीज़ का कंटाला आता था तो काफ़ी हमारी सिमिलैरिटी उसमें थी. We were really very lazy and not very proactive.
And also poor jokes. Like sometimes I just can't help cracking a few jokes and no one laughs, okay? But he does.
So whenever he calls me, he'll be like, okay, so he's given me 3 nicknames which I can never in my life reveal. And what he'll do is, hello. He'll be like, dash, dash, dash. He'll say all the nicknames. He'll be like, hello. Then he'll be like, dash, dash, dash. Hello. I'm like, yes, I am on call. Hello. Then for 5 minutes, he'll keep doing, hello, hello, hello.
he calls me. That's how he expresses. He calls me at times, and that's the expression that he's missing me, and that's the expression, okay, इन्हें भी प्यार आता है मुझ पे कभी कभी.
कॉल करते हैं और कॉल पे कुछ भी बोलते हैं. So जब मैं उनको I love you बोलती हूँ तो वो ना बदले में I love you नहीं बोल पाते. वो बोलते हैं thank you.
You don't need things to show affection. Fathers are just there for you every single step to show their affection, and that is affection. I mean, they don't need to do something differently to show their affection.
सारी बातें खास है वैसे तो, पर एक इंस्टेंस जिसको मैं बार बार रिविजिट करती हूँ वो है जब स्कूल में एग्जाम्स के टाइम पे ना मैं कभी कभी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस ले लेती थी. तो मैं सुबह तक कभी 5 बजे तक 6 बजे तक पढ़ रही हूँ. तो इस बीच ना कभी कभी पापा आ जाते थे तो देखते थे, पहले खड़े रहते थे, हो गया है बेटा, यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड, आराम से सो जा, एग्जाम अच्छा होगा. दैट्स इट.
He has never said something good to me, or whenever I look good, he has just sort of shown that expressions of feelings. Fathers generally don't do that. And when I got ready and I was standing on the balcony, he just said like this, and my heart just came out. It throbbed like so fast. I'm like, Papa did this, and it was very momentary, and I just love that moment.
I recently lost my father, and now that you think about it, that all the memories that I had with him, it's something that I cherish on every single day of my life. So
My dad goes for walk every morning and every evening, and I used to go with him. So those are the most beautiful memories. We discuss things, we discuss life, we discuss what I want to do, we discuss our childhood memories. I was very close to my grandparents, so we used to talk about them.
just chilling around with him, him asking me how my day was, just going and having Sev Puri with him. I mean, these small memories, small things that we used to do and chill around with each other and do together. Everything, all of these small bits are like very memorable for me right now.
कि पापा आप बहुत क्यूट हो, आई लव यू, आई मिस यू एंड आई रियली होप एंड प्रे कि हमारी प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल लाइफ बहुत जल्दी सेम ट्रैक पे आ जाए. बहुत वक्त हो गया है मुझे घर से निकले हुए और मैं चाहती हूँ कि कुछ ऐसा हो जाए कि हम लोग फिर से साथ में रहने लगे, बिकॉज मेरे को अब आप लोगों के बिना नहीं रहना है. आई मिस यू सो मच, यू हैव नो आइडिया.
I'm sorry, but I'm saying it out to you that I don't think I'll ever be able to stop my habit of shopping and spending all the money that I have in hand. So that, and yeah, I'll try to be more mindful of my finances, and I will try to be more mindful of where I'm putting my energies in. And I promise you that I'll make you very, very, very proud.
He used to say कि मतलब तुम जब चली जाओगी, जब दूसरे घर जाओगी, तब तुम्हें मेरी वैल्यू पता चलेगी. जो भी मैं करता हूँ, बाप होता है, बाप का वो प्लेस कोई नहीं ले सकता. एंड आई लिटरली फील दैट नाउ. आई मिस हिम.
I love you a lot. I love you a lot. You're the most important thing in my life and will always be.
And I love you, Papa. Just stay the way you are. Cooler than every boy in town. And fart loudly, burp loudly, it suits you.
I love you, I miss you, and I'm eternally grateful for all the things that you are and all the things you are to me.
And to everyone who's watching this video and to my dad, I love you. Bye.